Did you know that just 10 minutes of morning movement can increase your energy levels by over 60% and reduce anxiety throughout the day by nearly 50%? Imagine stepping into your day feeling calm, focused, and in control before the chaos even begins. So many people wake up overwhelmed, stressed, and disconnected from their bodies. But it doesn't have to be that way. You deserve mornings that feel nourishing, not rushed. This 10-minute yoga routine is your simple path to that transformation. Morning yoga isn't just about stretching. It's about awakening your nervous system, gently reactivating your muscles, and setting the tone for a day filled with clarity and intention. For beginners, this short practice removes the pressure of perfection and offers a safe space to reconnect with your breath and body. No equipment needed, just a little space and a willingness to show up for yourself. We begin with breath. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep inhale through the nose and a slow exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Breathing like this for just 1 minute lowers your heart rate, calms the mind, and centers your awareness in the present. Let your breath be your anchor as we move together. Gently drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Feel that stretch on the left side of your neck. Hold for a few deep breaths. Now slowly switch to the other side. As tension melts away, imagine releasing the weight of yesterday. Roll your shoulders forward and back, waking up those tight upper muscles that often carry emotional stress. Raise both arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and stretch up toward the ceiling. Now lean gently to one side, feeling a full stretch down the side of your body. Come back to center and switch sides. These side bends stimulate the spine, activate the core, and help improve digestion, all while opening your chest for better breathing. Move on to all fours. With an inhale, drop your belly and lift your gaze. This is cow pose. With your exhale, round the back, tuck the chin. This is cat pose. Move slowly between the two. This sequence lubricates the spine, releases stiffness, and is perfect for beginners still building confidence in movement. Now, press back into downward facing dog. It's okay if your knees are bent or your heels don't touch the floor. Pedal your feet slowly, waking up your calves, hamstrings, and ankles. This pose not only stretches the entire back of your body, but also boosts blood flow to your brain, helping you feel more alert and balanced. Come to a seated position with legs extended. Inhale, raise your arms, and as you exhale, hinge from the hips and fold forward. No need to reach your toes, just reach forward with intention. This calming pose gently stretches the spine and hamstrings, helping to quiet the mind and anchor your energy before the day unfolds. Lie on your back or sit comfortably once again. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Breathe deeply and say, either out loud or in your mind, "Today, I choose presence. I choose peace." Just 10 minutes, and you've already created space in your day for mindfulness, clarity, and gentle strength. Feel that. Your body is awake, your mind is grounded, and this energy can stay with you all day, but only if you return to it regularly. So, if this short morning practice helped you, like this video, share it with someone who needs a softer start to their day, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly yoga routines that fit easily into your life. Because when you start your morning with intention, everything changes.